Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, join me because I would be ranking the best and worst dress at the Met Gala 2023. So hope you enjoy and watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Premiere52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, I will be giving my own rating with the celebrities and their style, whether 1, it's a Met Gala moment, number 2, she's pretty but, and number 3, not invited next year. All commentaries are just my own opinion, no intentions of bashing anyone here, only here for fun. Alright, so the theme of Met Gala 2023 is Karl Lagerfeld, a line of beauty. So this is in tribute to the legendary designer who died in 2019. Let us start first with Kim Kardashian wearing costume Schiaparelli. So what I love about this one, of course, we are seeing that she is wearing a dress entirely of pearls. As we know, Chanel and pearls are very synonymous. I love her train as well. However, my rating for her is she is pretty, but I feel that they could have pushed it a little bit further. I love her clutch though. Next, we have Emma Chamberlain, designers Miu Miu. Beautiful dress. Unfortunately, it is not on theme. I would be giving her rating definitely not invited next year. I mean, her stylist, what are they thinking? This is not on theme. There is no Karl Lagerfeld inspiration here. No, definitely a big no. Next, we have Bad Bunny, designers Jacquemus. So up front, it looks like he's wearing just a plain, regular white suit and pants, but I love his train entirely made of camellia flowers. And look at the back detail, so gorgeous. My rating for this one is she is pretty, but I could actually even see myself wearing this one because also I have designed a jacket almost similar to this. Then we have Paris Hilton, designer Marc Jacobs. She is wearing an entirely leather dress and sequins. I love her shoes, very Marc Jacobs. But for this one, my rating for her is she is pretty, but I am wishing that her designer next year would give her something more fabulous, more outrageous, more Met Gala moment. OMG, Anne Hathaway, designer Versace. So this is what I'm talking about. This is a perfect combination of Versace and Chanel. As we could see all the inspiration, the dress is made of tweed, and we could see that the embellishment, the classic Versace even has pearls. Definitely guys, this is one of my favorite and a super big Met Gala moment. Perfect 10. Yes. Next, we have Kylie Jenner, designer Jean Paul Gaultier by Haider Ackerman. Unfortunately, she is very pretty. The dress is very pretty. Again, not on theme for this year. Thus, my rating for her is not invited for next year until she follows the theme of Met Gala. Then we have Pedro Pascal, designers Valentino. Unfortunately, he looks like he is just going to a mall. What are they thinking? Yes, this is Valentino, but definitely not on theme. I couldn't see Karl Lagerfeld in any of this design. Definitely not invited next year. Please wake up and follow the Met Gala theme for next year. Then we have Chanel's favorite muse, Kristen Stewart, wearing Chanel. I love her way of paying tribute to Karl Lagerfeld. As you could see, she is wearing a Chanel piece from the runway here. And definitely, I love the styling. I love the tuxedo. It's very feminine and masculine at the same time. That is why my rating is she is very pretty, but The queen has arrived, Rihanna wearing Valentino. OMG, this is such a Met Gala moment, definitely. So she is wearing a white dress and on top of it, a convertible camellia jacket that she could also wear as a headpiece. She's also wearing actually a white sunnies that has eyelashes. Definitely, she is giving us a fashion Met Gala moment. Then we have Thames wearing Robert Poon. Definitely guys, OMG, this is such a fashion and perfect way on how you could transform a clean white shirt and turn it into a couture. I love the headpiece. I love the ostrich feathers. And as you can see at the back, it's so beautiful. That is why my rating for her is Met Gala moment. Perfection 10s across the board. OMG, as predicted, someone would be doing cosplay. So here we have Jared Leto wearing Karl Lagerfeld. So he is styled as Choupette, Karl Lagerfeld's cat. Unfortunately, this is such a big no-no. Not invited next year is my rating. Even though he would be removing the cat costume, definitely he looks like a Dementor. Definitely a no. Then we have Jenna Ortega wearing Thom Browne. So I love this one. A good play with the suit that Carl is normally wearing. I love the chain details as well. My rating for her is she is pretty, but so I feel that they could have pushed this a little bit more. Maybe give her some train, give her a little bit more drama for Met Gala. But definitely, I really love the style. We have the model Devon Aoki, designers Jeremy Scott. So this is Jeremy's first Met Gala after Moschino. So definitely, unfortunately, this is very minimalistic and very simple for Met Gala. My rating for this style is definitely not invited for next year. Jeremy Scott, I wish you bring the quirk, the fun into your design just like Moschino. So definitely, this is a no. And then we have Gigi Hadid wearing Givenchy. Another beautiful dress. Yes, unfortunately not fitting for the theme. I could not see Karl Lagerfeld here except for the tulle gloves. Aside from that one, definitely not on theme. My rating for her is not invited next year. Guys, please do follow the theme. Let's just have some fun. Then we have Gabby, one of the editors at Vogue. The designer is Coach. This one, I love. Actually, the styling is very simple. We could see that the cutout of Camellia, they have used recycled fabrics from Coach. I love the back details as well. So my rating is she is pretty, but hopefully they could embellish more, give her something more for Met Gala. Then we have Michaela Coel, designer Schiaparelli. She is wearing a super embellished tulle dress. So definitely we could see Karl Lagerfeld here because of the super embellished gold details, just like Chanel's accessories. So my rating for this one is she is pretty, but I could just imagine like how heavy and the technical details that must have gone on this dress. Perfection. Then we have Cara Delevingne wearing Karl Lagerfeld. So again, another cool fashion take of redesigning and making the regular white piece of shirt into a couture. I just wish she has wear a different kind of shoes. So my rating for her is she is pretty, but so give her more accessories, although I like her way playing tribute to Karl Lagerfeld. Then we have Doja Cat wearing Oscar de la Renta. So if you are going to come in as Choupette, as the cat, then definitely this is the fashion way. Unlike with Jared Leto, so as you can see, she is wearing a very beautiful beaded dress by Oscar de la Renta, and her face has a prosthetic that would look like a feline. My rating for her is she is pretty, but so definitely we need to up the ante. Then we have Amanda Seyfried wearing Oscar de la Renta. So again, another beautiful dress, but she is on the wrong era. Maybe she is thinking that this is a Moulin Rouge. So definitely wrong dress for the wrong theme. So you are not going to be invited for next year. Then we have Elle Fanning wearing Vivienne Westwood. So you know guys, with Chanel, she always have the Chanel bride at the end. So I love this beautiful wedding gown. I love the jacket. I love the headpiece. A very beautiful dress. So my rating for her is she is pretty, but so again guys, this is Met Gala. I am expecting more of a fashion moment. Then we have Janelle Monáe designer's Tom Brown. I love the take on the regular Karl Lagerfeld suit, and just look at the bag. It's shaped as choupette. However, I didn't like it anymore when she has removed the coat and went into this dress. That's why my rating for her is she is pretty, but I wish she has worn the suit on the entire day or at the entire Met Gala party. Then we have the Oscar winner Ke-Huy Quan wearing DIOR. So I love this one. If we are going to remove his head, we could definitely paste Karl Lagerfeld because this is such Karl Lagerfeld, and I love the detail. I love the fingerless gloves. I love also the accessory on the necktie. That is why my rating is she is pretty, but so I feel that we could give him more of a fashion moment. Karlie Kloss wearing LOEWE. So again, another underwhelming dress. LOEWE had such a moment with Rihanna. I wish they could have given her more. I know Karlie Kloss at this moment is pregnant. The only way that we could see that this in tie with the theme is with the pearls. That is why my rating is she is pretty, but we need more fashion moment for Karlie Kloss. And this is the fashion moment I was referring to. So we have Ava Max wearing Christian Siriano. OMG, what a beautiful bride. I love the wedding gown. I love the pearl embellishment. I love the tulle train. This is perfection. So my rating for this one is she is pretty, but so I want more of this one, level 10, but definitely a good wedding dress. OMG, this is so me, guys. So we have Alton Mason wearing Karl Lagerfeld. So if I would be attending Met Gala, then definitely this is what I would be wearing. So he is posing as the Chanel bride. OMG, this is such a Met Gala moment. Love, love, love everything. I love the see-through tulle dress. I love the veil. Perfection. Another beautiful fashion moment, we have Cardi B wearing Changpeng Studio. As we could see here, the dress is made entirely of black camellias. I also love the white suit and the necktie, and as you could see, even under the dress, she is giving us such fashion moment. That's why my rating for her is Met Gala moment. Love, love, love this dress, Cardi B. Then we have Jennie of BLACKPINK. Designer is Chanel. OMG, of course Chanel, very beautiful, but this is wrong for the theme. This is very simple. Why didn't Chanel made her such a beautiful gown or beautiful dress that would be fitting for Met Gala? That is why my rating for Jennie. Please don't hate me, blinks, guys. Not invited next year. Then we have Ashley Park wearing Michael Kors. Unfortunately, very beautiful dress, but I felt this is a little bit underwhelming for her because I love her fashion at Emily in Paris. So they could have turned up the volume to level 10. That is why my rating for this style is she is pretty, but because definitely she needs a fashion moment. OMG, I'm so sad. Please don't hate me. So we have Lil Nas, designer unknown, but makeup is by Pat McGrath. My rating for this one, because this doesn't look fashion at all. This looks more of a cosplay, like the crystal troll right here. That is why my rating is do not hate me, guys. Not invited next year. I want you to go back to your fashion moment, Lil Nas. And last but not the least, we have Jeremy Pote, designer is Balmain. OMG, just look at that cape and the tribute to Karl Lagerfeld. If you would need to take a picture of the entirety of the outfit and you need to go that far, then that is such a moment. That is why my rating for this one is OMG, such a Met Gala fashion moment. Before we end, I'm inviting everyone. Please join our ever-growing founders. You get the little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!